Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring and draw alphabets. Kids, first we are using and mixing the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the alphabet of A. Small letter alphabets A. Kids, subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog and D for doll. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for gorilla. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is again the small letter alphabets of A. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we're using the color of red. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we're using red color and draw, coloring the alphabet of G. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we are using the color of blue. Kids, now we are mixing the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. H for hand. I for eyes. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. Small letter alphabets K. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, we again draw H. The next one is I. J. The next one is K. L for lion, L for lemon. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. And the last one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Thank you so much for watching.